Hi everybody. Thank you for watching our reviews. In this issue we will show the tuned German car BMW M3 E30. BMW M3 is a high-tech sports version of compact cars BMW 3 Series. Based on the E30 model, BMW 3 Series 1986 was the first presented model and had a 2.3 liters inline four-cylinder S14B23 engine. The first version for public roads had 195 horsepower. M3 was equipped with an improved reinforced and more aerodynamic body. The BMW M3 was distinguished by its inflated wings, spoiler and front lip. No analogues were produced for standard models. Also, the E30 featured a more gentle slope of the rear windshield to improve the aerodynamic properties of the body. The front windshield was glued to increase the rigidity of the body. The glazing had a smaller thickness. In addition, the car received stiffer and lower suspension with Bilstein B6 racks. The M3 is longer and wider than the standard BMW E30. Also on the M3 were installed BBS wheels, on which a wide low-profile rubber was stretched. Sedans in the first generation are absent. How do you like the tuning of this BMW? Leave your answers in the comments. Press like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Until next time, pals.